Welcome to the Unit 6 Review Sheet Solution tutorial. In this video, we will be covering questions number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 asks us to draw the resulting image after the following transformations, and each of them are a different color, and I'm going to be representing those differently here. So the first one is A, which is when we are going to translate it 4 units to the left. In that process, we are moving every single one of these points 4 units left. So the A moves 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be the new A point. And we can call this A prime. And then B is going to move 4 units to the left as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the C is going to move 4 units to the left as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be the new C. And this is the new B. All right. And then if we connect all the dots, the triangle should look something like this. And like that. Okay, that is the result of moving it 4 units each. Okay, so let me clean it up a little bit here. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. That's how it should look like with 4 units to the left. All right, next we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So let me select this and show you how it would look like on the side if it was rotated. Right? So we could rotate it right 90, then we rotate it again. Right? That's how it would look like when it's 180. And as a result, so let me show you. So this was its original. Once you rotate it 90 to the right, it moves to this quadrant. Then you're going to move it again 90 degrees, so it's going to end up here. So it's going to look somewhere here. All right, it should look something like this on this side. All right, and it should be green. Okay, so let me draw that for you. It should look like from here to here, then here, then here. All right, that's how that should look like. And if you want to know the letters, this was A, this was C, and this was B. And let me give you the red one up here. It was A, B, and C. Lastly, you want to do the orange one here, which is going to just be a reflection over the x-axis. So let me grab this for you, and I'm going to reflect it over the x-axis. All right, so here you go. Then when it reflects, right, it should look something like this, and it's on this side right there. Okay, that's how it looks like after it reflects. All right, so let me draw that in for you. Okay, that's the top end. And the points would be A is right here, C, then B. All right, so that's how you perform the transformation for number 1. Let's look at number 2 here. Number 2 just asks us to name each one of these. Are they linear pair, vertical angles, complementary angles, or neither? So let's take a look at the first one. We saw that these 2 angles together. Okay, let's see if they add up to 180. So 128 plus 62. Let's see what that equals. So we put that in a calculator. 128 plus 62. That equals to 190. Okay, this is not a linear pair. Okay, so this is going to be considered neither. Okay. Then we have the next one, which is 41 plus 49 And let's see what that equals to. We see that equals to 90. Okay. And we can say that if this is 90, we can call this complementary angles. Okay. The next one, we have 70 and 110. And this is going to be equal to 180. We can call this a linear pair. The reason why it's a linear pair is because if you put them together, they make a line, which is 180 degrees. Lastly, these two angles are the same. They are reflections from each other, so we can say 115 is going to be equal to 115, and we call these vertical angles. All right, vertical angles right here. Good. All right, so this was number 1 and number 2 for the review sheet.